Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to actually make money online by testing websites and applications. Yes, you heard it right. I'll be showing you how to make money from testing websites and applications for free. I would like to thank my new subscribers, and for those who have subscribed, thank you also very much for still supporting me. And please don't forget to actually click the bell so you actually get notified every time when I drop a new video. And please comment if what I'm putting out is actually beneficial to you and if you're actually making money out of it. So I'd like to also hear some feedback from y'all. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into the first platform that we're going to be discussing. So the first platform is Validately. They work with Google, they work with Amazon, they work with web.com and Microsoft. These are all big companies I'm talking about. So it's straightforward and simple. The only thing you just need for testing is actually a phone or a laptop and access to internet. Show you an example. So this is just an example of how you actually do the testing. So this is like an example of an Amazon test. So maybe they will tell you to log into the Amazon platform, search some products. Probably they will tell you to buy something, but most of the time they will not tell you. They will just ask you how's the layout of the website, how's the layout of the app, and then from there you give your feedback. So it's just straightforward and simple. There's no complication to it. So to actually get started with this, you actually need to come all the way down here and click over here, get paid to test. So once you click here on get paid to test, they'll actually take you to the next page, whereby that's when you actually start signing up. Test websites, make money. It's that simple. So once you click here, start making money, then you actually go to the next page whereby they start asking you questions. So how does it work? Sign up, click here to sign up, start taking tasks and get paid. It's just straightforward and simple. So some people might ask, how much would I get paid? So I just went here to the FAQ page, and this is what they had to say. We'll just scroll down here. Okay, how much do tests pay? Let's see. Okay, test payment vary. The minimum payment for unmoderate test is 10 for 10 to 15 minutes of your time. So for 10 to 15 minutes of your time, you could get paid $10. $25, that's for 30 minutes. So for 10 to 15 minutes, you actually can get paid $10. For 30 minutes, you actually get paid a minimum of $25. So it's just straightforward and simple. Once you sign up and then you go to your app, and then you go to your computer, they will ask you to actually add an extension on your Chrome. Once you add an extension on your Chrome, then they'll go through a test phase to see that you actually have a camera on your laptop or your smartphone, and to actually test your mic if it's working, because sometimes they will ask you to test something whereby they will need you to actually speak, give your feedback, to actually talk. So that's the first platform. And the second one will be user testing. So user testing, also similar to Validately, you earn up to 60 Rand, $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts out loud, and get paid. It's straightforward and simple. There's nothing to it. So like they said over here, get $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So as you can see over here, you're actually spending like 20 minutes and you're actually getting paid $10 via PayPal. And for these platforms, you actually need PayPal. Without a PayPal account, that means there's no way for you that you're going to get paid. So you need to have a PayPal account. Without a PayPal account, you're not going to get paid basically. But you can't actually sign up without actually having a PayPal account. So you actually need to have a PayPal account. So these are some of the companies that they actually work with. As you can see, it's Zendesk, they got Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, eBay, Wikipedia, Facebook. These are all big brands that they actually work with. So you want to make sure that you actually tap into this market and actually make this money. So what do you need to get started? A PC, a Mac, an internet connection, a microphone. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, so forth. ability to download and test, to download or our testing software, you must be at least 18 years old. So you need to be above 18 to actually use this platform. Ability to speak your thoughts out aloud in English. So you also need to speak English. Like they've said, these are the simple and straightforward requirement that you actually need, and then from there you are ready to get going. We are accepting testers from the following countries: whether you be in Africa, Middle East and India, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America and the Caribbean, United States and Canada. So these are all the countries that they're actually accepting testers from. I'm sure to all my viewers, they belong in one of these countries, so you can actually use this platform and actually make up some money. So it's straightforward and simple. You sign up and then from there you are ready to go. And then last but not least will be user field. Okay, let it load up. Okay, this one is just straightforward and simple. Quick and easy user testing. It's also like the platform that I've shown you before. These are all the brands that they actually work with. Over here, it's all about slides. Most of the surveys that I've seen over here, it's all about slides. Maybe they'll ask you a certain question and they ask you to slide. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it useful? And stuff like that. So it's all about slides. Then from there, they'll ask you a certain question about that online store. Maybe they'll ask you how it looks, how's the output of it when you click here, what happens, is it taking too long to respond and stuff like that. It's just straightforward and simple. So I would tell you guys to actually check out this platform and actually see how this platform works and actually start using it as a part-time income and actually gain a part-time income, because these platforms are actually there for you to actually make money for free by just testing them, may it be on your phone or may it be on your laptop. It's just straightforward and simple. So if you actually like this type of content that I'm actually putting out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment so that I actually know that this content is actually working out for you and it's actually making you that extra income. Because once you start making you that extra income, I will be so happy to actually get some feedback from you that, hey, I tried out what you actually recommended and it's actually working for me. So I would appreciate that if you actually leave a comment and actually like my videos and share it to other people who actually also seeking to make money online by testing websites and testing applications for free. So from me, I will see you on the next clip, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the flip side.
Yes, sir, 7 zaman now 7